Nigga got so much money on me, I can't count no more. Remember I was in the project wall, couldn't even get along. Now the niggas got their hands out, if I ain't give it, I be wrong. Remember I was in the county jail, none of these bitches wasn't picking up the phone.
I'm ready. What you doing, man? Stop.
How about I be to fuck it up? I just trying to run the cake up, Versace shit.
Free. Get on the ground. Trick shot. Hello guys. Basically, right. So I've recently purchased paintball gun. I'm just doing this video, right? If this video gets 50 likes, right? 50. Come on, just say. Right. If this video gets 50 likes, right? I'll do a video. I don't know whether other people will be involved. I'll shoot Cameron too, and he'll shoot me. No, don't. I'll put a video on the screen. Do I shoot me? Oh my god! 3, 2, 1. Oh, very dangerous. I need to put more gas in it like that.
Look at the penis. Look at the penis.
You gotta show him in depth of how to take the gas canister off. And so what you wanna do? Fascinating, isn't it? Wow, that's pretty. Oh, that can do some damage. You need to put it on and have a fun time. Oh shit! Now if we shoot it, get back. Oh! Look at smoke.
Don't aim it now, man.
Whoa!
Fucking around.
See this damage? See that dog? See that dog? What is that, the dog?
Go on, I want to see the smoke come out. Go on.
Look at that headshot. Oh, you see, want to see the smoke? Oh my god.
Where's the bullets go?
Yeah,
stop fucking aiming me. I wanna.
I'm careful, man. Stop, man. What are you doing? Oh my. Don't, man. I'm ready. Alright, I'm down. That bucket.
Go.
Look at that. What's it? Stand back, Cam. Stand, Cam. Whoa.
Yeah. What you doing, man? Stop.
Being a little pussy boy. Stop being a little pussy.
Man, I was meant to go out a bit hard.
And the problem. See this glass, right? Step back, please. Step back, please.
Stop fucking aiming at that. What, do you not understand?
What are you doing? my thing. Stop. This is testing things with Giles. What if it like?
It's gonna off the floor.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Flipping out, look at that, it's gone. If you want a video of us shooting each other, right? 50 likes. Hey, Cam. I mean, it's not normal. Right, I'm recording on that. What was that?
Did I smash?
What do you mean? Oh, good. Nice. Oh my god! Right, go. Oh.
Plastic, you mad head?
Oh, this ain't. Oh, stop, man. There's no thingies in it, Cam. Oh my god, look at my jumper. I need to wear these. I don't know.